Edward Munch's famous painting, The Scream, is a rectangle with 130 inches. Its height is 22 inches less than twice its width. What are its dimensions? All right. We're asked for the dimensions, and in this case, they label the dimensions by height and width, so those are going to go into our let statements. Let the height be something, and let the width be something else. Now we're told the height is 22 inches less than twice the width. Because we're told something about the height based on the width is going to be our x. All right, now we need an expression for the height. The height is 22 inches less than twice its width. Well, if it's 22 inches less than something, that means that 22 is getting subtracted from something. And it's 22 inches less than twice its width. Well, if the width is x, twice the width is 2x. So this means that the height is given by 2x minus 22. Okay. Now we need to write an equation that models the situation. Because this involves perimeter, we use the formula for perimeter. The perimeter is twice the length plus twice the width, except in this problem, we're not given length and width, we're given height and width. Perhaps this is because a painting is usually hung on the wall, and so it's got a height instead of a length. But regardless, because the dimensions are height and width, we can rewrite this formula as P equals 2H plus 2W. It's effectively representing the same thing, except the dimensions here are height and width instead of length and width. Let's plug in what we know. We know the perimeter is 130 inches, so that's 2 times the height, which we know is 2x minus 22, plus 2 times the width, which we said was x. And once we've made all these substitutions, we have an equation that we can solve. Let's distribute this 2 on the right. 2 times 2x is 4x, minus 2 times 22 is 44. And then we can multiply 2 times x is 2x. Good. Next, we can combine like terms on the right-hand side. 4x plus 2x is 6x. So that gives us 130 equals 6x minus 44. Next, to get rid of that 44 term, we can add 44 to both sides. That gives us 174 equals 6x. And to get x alone, we divide both sides by 6. 174 divided by 6 is 29. So we've got 29 equals x. Let's figure out the width and the height now. The width was x, which we figured out was 29, and this is in inches. Then the height is 2x minus 22, so that's 2 times 29, which is 58 minus 22, is going to be 36. So the height is 36 inches and the width is 29 inches. That's what they asked for. They asked for the dimensions, so we can write that out. The height is 36 inches and the width is 29 inches. And that is our final answer.